Good day guys, this is Hassan and welcome to CAD Gizmo. Guys, in this video we will draw another shape of AutoCAD practice series for the beginner students. So guys, let's start the video. And before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see the latest updates. And guys, we have this shape and we are going to draw this shape in AutoCAD. So let's start it. First, we draw this outer circle and the inner circle, which have the diameter of 108 units. For that, type C and enter and get the diameter 108 units. Now we draw a line like this and change the layer 0.3 units, the line type scale. Now we make the inner circle which have the offset of 7.5 units, 7.5 units like this. Now we are going to make inner circles of 22.5. Type C for circle and diameter 22.5. Now we have another circle of diameter 42. Diameter 42. We change it layer. Now we make the circle from this point and which have the radius of 72 units, and from this point we make the circle of 25.5 units. Now we trim it from this point like this. And delete it. Now make the offset of 6 units and fillet it like this. Now join this, and for that type J and enter. Now we are going to array. Select the polar array, get the base point or the center point and change the items 3 and click on close array. Now we are going to explode it, and for that type X and enter. X and enter. Now make the offset 6 units like this and extend it. Fillet it and give the radius 1.5 units like this. TR double enter. Now make the array, the polar array. Give the base point and type 3 and enter and close the array. TR double enter. And trim all the extra lines. If I make a circle like this and change the projection layers like this. So in this way we make the circle. Now we are going to delete the extra lines like this and we are going to hatch it. So our shape is ready, and for hatch type H and enter and select any color and hatch it and click on close hatch creation. So guys, in this way we draw our shape And guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, and guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.